Good morning guys. Today we are going to discuss about the program, lab program. Display the hex digits 0 to F on 7 segment LED interface with an appropriate delay should be given in the between of digits displayed on the 7 segment LED display. Okay, now this is the program. This we need to connect with that LPC2148 because our lab program that we are going to do ARM7 processor with the LPC2148 as a target device. Okay, now here this is the LPC2148 device which is there on the hardware kit. So we need to interface with the 7 segment LED display. That LPC2148 is a 64-bit value. Here this is each and every pin is multiplexed with many number of pins here. It's nothing but the working of each and every pin which is modulated with more than one pin working functionality. That I will send a video to you. According to that you will come to know the functionality of each and every pin of LPC2148. Now here this diagram which is showing here, the LPC2148 is connected to 7 segment LED display. The 7 segments are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and P is a DP point, which is the point here. Okay, so that is connected with the LPC2148. Here how that LPC 7 segments will be connected here, and the 8th segment which is the TP, which is the TP switch. Here this is the pin numbers of LPC2148: port 0, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 are connected to the 7 segment LED display. 15 is connected to G, 16 is connected to F, 18 is connected to B, 19 is connected to P, 20 is connected to C and 21 is connected to D, 22 is connected to E. So here we have to write a program by using LPC2148 device, target device, and we need to connect it to the 7 segment LED display. Now let us look into it. What is the each and every pin, how it is connecting? We'll look into that before going to the actual program. Here see here the 7 segment selection table in our hardware kit. There are 4 digits will be there. Okay, so 4 digits is nothing but digit 1, digit 2, digit 3 and digit 4. So in the LPC2148 device, the pin number 35 is used to display on the digit 1, 37 which is used to display on the digit 2, 38 pin number 38 is used to display on the digit 3 and this is used to display on the digit 4. How we can write that is in the port number is nothing but what is the port number has been given here, it is nothing but port 0.10, 0.10, 0.11, 0.12, 0.13. So 0.10 is used for to use that control of to display in the digit 1 of the 7 segment LED. So there are 4 LEDs will be there like this, 4 LEDs, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that LEDs will be there. So if I want to display on the digit 1, pin 0 port 0.10 should be connected, that is nothing but pin number 35. If it is digit 2 we are using, port 0.11 should be high, which is the pin number 37. So this is for pin number 38 which is for port 0.12. This is port 0.13 and 39 pin number which is there in the LPC2148. Now in that above diagram there are a connection which is this is from the LPC2148 side. This is from LPC2148 side and this is from 7 segments. So here a connection is happening, the data is transmitting. If it is 0 or high, according to that 7 segment LED will be displayed as 0 to F. If it is 0, A, B, C, D, E, F should be glowed. So A, B, C, D whichever the positions that we have to represent either 0 or 1. If it is 0 is nothing but common cathode representation. If I want to glow it as 1 in the sense here you are using it as a common anode methodology. Now that also we look into it. Now see that here the 7 segment data lines. What are the data lines? These are the data lines. Why we are not giving an order is nothing but what is the order in the 7 segment display has been given here. The first digit is Z, F, A, B, P, C, D, E. Like that only we are writing. So G, F, A, B, P, C, D, E. So these are the 7 segment data lines which is connected from 2148. So what is the pin number here? 45, 46, 47, 53, 54, 55, 1 and 2. What is the pin numbers has been given here? It is nothing but, so the pin numbers has not been specified. We are specified with the port numbers only. The port number 0.15 is for G. So what is the pin number in the LPC2148 is 45. 45th pin is connected to G. 46th pin is connected to F. What is the name of the 45th pin in the LPC2148 is port 0.15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and so on. These are the pin numbers. The names of that particular pin numbers is this, and how it is connected to the 7 segment LED display. So meanwhile, a clear-cut idea is nothing but LPC2148 is a target device which is connecting to the hardware 7 segment LED display. If it is 0 or 1, which are the pin numbers that we need to use from LPC side? This is the 15 to 22 of port 0, and this is that A to G that we need to connect with the DP, so that it will communicate whether 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, like that it will be displayed. So who will be communicated here? LPC2148. From that we are going to communicate. So we have to write the program and we need to send to that LPC2148. Okay. Now that is the actual motto of this program. Here to write this program we need 3 registers will be used. So that 3 registers is nothing but, one is input output. These are called as general purpose input output registers. So in this program we are going to use 3 registers. One is called as direction register, another one is called as set register, another one is called as clear register. So what is the direction register? We'll explain you here is nothing but it selects the direction of the pins of port 0. Still now all these time we are discussing about the port 0 only. We are telling the direction, whether it is the input direction or output direction. What is that input direction and output direction? Output is represented by 1. So if that pin value is represented as 1 or 0, 1 is nothing but that 7 segment LED display should treat as an output. If it is 0, we have to take that input. So here all the directions, it will select the direction of the pins of port 0 which is represented in the 32-bit register. If you are representing 1, that 7 segment, whichever the pins, whichever the bits we are representing, that will be represented as an output. Okay. Now in our program, actually in our program what we gave here in that program is nothing but, here we gave 0x7F800. Why we gave? That is called as they are given here LED data mask. What is that masking here? What is the meaning of that is nothing but, here this is will be represented as how the direction will be set. See, that is the 32-bit register I have told. This is the select the direction, whether it is an output or input. So output is nothing but, according to this case we want to use that LED segment as an output. So which are the pins that you have to, which are the bits that we need to set as an output, that we will look into it. Now see here. See, 7F800 will be represented. So this is a 32-bit register. I have shown here 31 to 0. That each and every bit will be represented at P0.31, P0.30, P0.29, P0.28 and so on, P0.0. So now I am representing that 32-bit value in this IO direction, because that is called as LED mask. There only they have been represented in the program. How it will be treated here? See here, where is that 7 will come here is nothing but 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15 are high here, and the rest of the values are zeros. Why we are representing the rest of the values are zeros? What is the pin numbers of A, B, C, D, F, G is nothing but 15 to 22. That only I want. Rest of the bits I don't want. So the rest of the bits will be represented as zeros. Only that bits will be represented as 1. I want to use that 7 segment LED display. I need to set only that pin numbers only. What is the pin numbers here? P0.15 to 15 to P0.22. The rest will be represented as 0. That's what the data value in the direction flag will be represented as. This 4 bits as 0, this 4 bits as 0, 011 is 7, 4 ones is F, and this is 1000 is 8, and rest values are zeros. That's what the LED 7 segment LED interface is nothing but this we need to set as a direction. So we are setting only the 7 segment connections. Now one more register is called as IO0, input output 0 port 0 set register. What is that set register is nothing but So that IO input output not set register used to set the pin. Set is nothing but it is used to set or reset. If for example, if I want to set this 21 bit, so P 0.21 equal to high. So IO not set. I want to set the P 0.21 equal to 1 is nothing but obviously it will set that in only the 21 bit, in the IO set. Only it will set only a particular pin or a particular bit in the complete 32-bit register. And one more is called as why we are using IO not set input output set register to set the particular content which is directed by the IO direction register. Repeating once again, the set register used to set the pins which is specified in the direction register. Okay, and what is clear here? Clear is nothing but it is used to clear the pins which is specified by the 32-bit values. For example, if I want to clear P 0.31, I will clear that IO not P 0.31 equal to, clear is nothing but obviously it will run. So how it will be set, how it will be reset, that you have a doubt on that. Let us look into it. For example, let us look in with an example. See, P 0.4 to P 0.7 as an output in the IO direction. How we will set here 0x 0 0 0. What is the value of P 0.4 to 7 shall we see here? Yeah, in the direction flag. See, these are zeros. 4, 5, 6, 7 will be represented as ones. The rest all zeros is nothing but only what will the value will be there? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, F0 will be there. This is the way we are setting only P 0.4 to 0.7 as an output in the IO direction. Okay, now here IO 0 direction. Okay, now here in that IO direction, if I want to set only the 15th bit, this is the another way of setting here, or we can use logical OR operation equal to 1 less than 15. So we want to set the 15th bit of direction, IO direction register. So how it will be that P 0.15 will be set here as an output without affecting the other pin values. Now see here, IO not clear, CLR. I want to set only that, this is the way we can set. So 1 less than 11, or another way also we can write here. So what is the another way we can write here? IO 0 CLR equals to, I want to represent only the, for example, let me think of that, I want to take an example, the last 4 bits as clear. So clear is nothing but what is that? I have to clear that one, that will be represented here as, so 0 x, okay, how many number of zeros? 1 2 3 4 hyphen 0 0 0 F. What is the meaning here? P 0.0 or 0.4 to P 0.3 or 0.0, not 3 here, this will be represented as 0, should be treated as clear. So if I want to clear that values is nothing but IO not clear equal to, because it is a 32-bit register, rest of the values I don't want to. So I want to clear only P 0.3 to 0.3. So P 0.0 to 0.3, the rest all will be zeros, this will be F. Same thing we can write in another way. What is that? IO not set input output set register 1 less than 15 with logical OR operation is nothing but that 1 less than, it is setting that 15th bit as high without affecting the other pin values. This also it is setting the P 0.0 to 0.3 without affecting the other values. In that IO not clear CLR, so it is setting only 11th pin here. 11th pin is nothing but this will become high, this will become high, and rest all zeros. So what will happen here? This will be 0 here from 4 to 7 0, 8 9 10 11, so 8. So what will happen here? This will be represented as 0. Okay, so from here to here 0 0, 7 here 0, here also 0. So only which bit will be represented as 1? 8 here is nothing but here 4 zeros. Let me write here, I will write here, if it is 11th bit as clear as high is nothing but 0, x 0 0 0. Okay, so that 15th bit, right? 0 8 0 0. So this is the way which is setting the, which is clearing the 11th pin of this. This is the way we will write here actually. Okay, I think you understood. This is the way we are setting that particular bits in a register. In our L7 segment LED program, we are using direction flag as well as CLR register, direction register, CLR register, set register. So direction used to set the output of the 7 segment LED and set that particular digit and clear the particular content in the 7 segment LED display. Now see here how that 7 segment LED display will be there. Actually see here G, F, A, B, P, C, D, E will be given. According to that our program has been created. So what is the encoding of that one? I have told you that one, common cathode. Common cathode is nothing but, here cathode is nothing but, that will be represented as, cathode will be represented as 0, then only the LED will be glowed. In the anode case, if it is in the anode case, that will be represented as 1. In the cathode case, what will be represented here? As 0. So the 0 will be glowed in the 7 segment LED display. So in our hardware kit, we have designed that common cathode methodology. In that, whenever the 0 will be represented, it will be displayed. Let us look into that, how each and every digit will be displayed in the 7 segment LED display. So G, F, A, B, P, C, D, E. I think you don't have any confusion how that 7 segment LED has been given. According to that format only we are writing that, encoding the table. So in that encoding the table, let us look into this table here. So what is that? 0 will be represented here, A, B, C, D, E and F. So should be 0. So A, B, C, D, E, F should be 0. The rest of the values will be 1. So what are the rest of the values? P and G will be 1. Every time the P value will become 1. There is no change in that one. Now how 1 will be represented? B and C should be glowed. How B and C will be glowed? By representing 0 on that positions. Rest of will be 1s. So what is the value? EB. So that we are passing as a parameters in an array. So that what will happen, each and every digit we are taking, we are displaying onto the 7 segment LED display. So this is the display encoding using common cathode methodology. For cathode we are representing 0. I think like that way we will write for all the values. We will write for all the values. Okay. Now see here, if you have any doubts, just go through this one. Now let us move to the program. This is the program what we have to execute in our lab. So this is called as including LPC214X. Any LPC low power consumption LPC that will be given here. So LPC the stands for low power consumption. 2148, which is our target device. The header file has been included. This is called as user defined hash defined digit 2. What is the digit 2? Pin number 11, port 0.11. And here see hash define, this is given in the commands. The LED data mask, LED will be data will be sent through 7F8000. Already we have seen this one in that what is that, how that LED has been glowed here is nothing but, already I have showed, this is a 32-bit register. This is the way only we want to glow that 7 segment LED display. For that, what is the pins 15 to 22 that we are making it as a set. So the resultant of the binary conversion to that hex, the binary value equivalent to that hex value is 007F8000. That's what we have specified for LED data mask 0x007F800. Now we have given that a global unsigned character value. This is called as unsigned character. Digit array has been given. This is has been declared before to the main function. We have passed the values for this digit array, unsigned character array. What are the values that we are passing? 0x88. What is it? 0x88? The representation of 0. And what is the one representation? EB. And 2 is 4C. So that we are passing as a array here. Okay, we have passed that as an unsigned character array. What is the name of an array? Digit array. Now next one is the delay function. I think you know what is the delay function. What is the delay function which is explaining here is nothing but to show that the 0 for a while. So the delay should be introduced here. Okay. Actually, this is the actual program. In the actual program, the unsigned character count, because we need to character count how many number of characters are there. We have 15. 0 to 15 is nothing but 16 characters are there. So every character should be displayed 0, 1, 2, 3. We are not taking 0 as a number. We are taking 0 as a character here, and we are reading that on the array, and we are displaying on the 7 segment LED. So we are taking I and j as a temporary variables. Here IO not direction digit 2. This is called as logical R equal to. Why we are using IO not direction here is nothing but the digit 2. We have how many number of digits are there? 4 digits are there. In that how many digits are there? We have 4 digits are there. In that, what is the digit number 2 here? 11. Port 0.11, which is nothing but 37. So that 37 bit, that digit will be direction, which is setting the digit as a output control lines. So which is the digit here? Already the digit 2 has been set here, one pin number 11 here. So we are setting that pin number 11 is nothing but instructing the digit 2 will will use as a output lines, and we are using that digit as an output lines. IO not clear is nothing but before going to display anything, we are going to clear the content of the 7 segment LED display. The segments will be cleared. So first we are treating the digit 2 as a output, and we are clearing the data what is there on the digit 2. So for this is the first step 1 and step 2. That is the compulsory step 1 and step 2 what we need to use here. So what is that? Digit 2, set digit 2 control lines as output without affecting the other pins. Second step is nothing but digit 2 clear the previous data. This will clear the previous data on the digit 2. So next one is nothing but, this is called as an infinite loop. So initially the count will be increased here. What is the count value? First of all 0. If count equal to 16, is it reached to the end of the character, then make it as 0. Because what is that? 0, A, B, C, D, A and so on. 0 to 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. Again 0 should come. That's what, once the count is reaching to 0, again repeat it as 0. Now this is called as a for loop. What is that? This is for loop is nothing but, first of all initially we are clearing these bits. What is this bits here? We are clearing the 7 segment LED values, and we are setting that which is that setting digit of count. Why digit of count has been given here is nothing but, what is the initial count value? 0. What is the digit of 0? Digit of 0 is 88. What is the value of 88 is 0. So the digit of 0 should be left shifted by 15 times. Why it is left shifted by 15 times is nothing but, this is one of the key point here. Why it is left shifted by 15 times? Whereas our values will be represented from the 15th bit, but our value will come from here. So how many number of bits that we need to left shift here? From 0 to 14. 0 to 14 is nothing but 15. So that's what the digit of count 0 should be displayed, should be set at the 15th bit position. That's what this is the representation. Repeating once again, IO not set is nothing but input output register set from the 15th bit. Why that digit of count equal to 0? Digit of 0 should be displayed from the 15th bit. Why? Because 7 segment LED pins will be glowed from 15 to 22. The pin numbers will be there. So digit of 0 will be left shifted by 15 times, so that it will be set to the actual pin number of the 7 segment LED display. Now IO not direction or equal to, we are making this as 15 to 22 as an output port. Okay, we are setting that one and we are treating that one, and we are setting the digit 2. So the digit 2 will be displayed with 0. And again for j equal to 0, j less than this will be given some time to show that digit on the particular 7 segment display. Again it will clear, go back, increment the count value. Again this loop will be iterated how many number of times until the count becomes 16. Once the counts become 16, again it will be initiated with count 0. So this will be repeated. The output will be shown as 0, again the count will be incremented. 1 again is nothing but 1 is nothing but 1 will be displayed on the 7 segment LED display. Go back again, digit of 2 will be displayed from the 15th bit position. First it will set as an output port, then set 2 will be digit on the displayed on the 7 segment second digit, and again cleared after some time. So this will be repeated and so on. I think you understood. Let me show the output how it will be. Okay, so the output how it will be represented is nothing. So this is the output. Already you know we are using Keil micro version 4. First of all we have to go to the project, new micro version project. After that we need to create a new folder for every program. So I have to create it in the micro documents. I have created a new folder. What is the name of the folder is nothing but LED1. Okay, so I have created a folder. So in that folder I have to given the file name. What is the file name? L1. I am giving the file name as L1 here. So I am saving that L1 here. So once it is saving, I need to select the target device. What is the target device is nothing but LPC2148. Already you know this process. Once we are selecting the device, again we need to click OK. Then here what is the doubt usually students get? Usually I told that no has been selected. No is nothing but for assembly language programming. Yes is nothing but for creating the C language program, C programs. So for our hardware programs which is there on the C program, so that I have to click on S. Now I have to, target device has been set, source group. I need to add that C file. So what I have to do here, name as L1 dot, no dot extension is not required to give. So I have created a C file. Now after that, this is very important here. What is this is nothing but the important which is here, keep in mind. I'll pause 1 second. Yes, see here in the options, once you right click on the target one, you will get options for target one. In that we need to set some of the values. Output, we have to create a hex file for executing on the hardware circuit, whatever the hardware device has been given. So the hex file should be given. So first of all, the output we need to set at the right click on the target one. Okay, options for target one will be there. Go into that. So create hex file should be opted. Okay, so after opting this thing, we have to go for linker. Okay, we have to use for memory layout for target dialog. Then you have to click OK. After that, you have to C file will be there from the text file. I'm going to copy here that complete program. I'm copying the same program which I have explained you. The same program is going to copy from here to here. Once it is copied into the micro Keil version 4, not micro, Keil version 4, here I'm going to save that one. After saving, I'm going to rebuild for checking the errors, debugging and checking the errors. If we got 0 errors and warnings, then we have to go to the flash magic. Okay, flash magic is nothing but, so none of the values has been changed here. So now the flash magic is nothing but, this is the flash magic tool which will be there on your desktop. Left side it will be there, flash magic. This is the icon of the flash magic. See here, the flash magic will be represented like this. Here we need to select the device. What is the device that we are doing here? LPC2148. Okay, baud rate, COM, these are all defaultly will select here. Here what we need to do here is nothing but, in the options for target one, we have created a hex file that we need to browse here. What the hex file has been created, that we need to browse that hex file from here. Then we need to start. Once it is started, the program execution, until the finished we need to wait. Once it is finished, the output will be represented as like this. See here, the 4 digits are there. 0, this is 0, digit 1, digit 2, digit 3, digit 4. So this is pin number 10, 11, 12, 13. See here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, A, B, C, D, E, F. Like that, it will be represented here. Okay, so this is the way it is showing the output here. So once you come to the lab, then you will come to know the things and all very clearly. I hope you understood the concept very well. Thank you.